What's up everyone, this is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to enable your camera and microphone on your Google Chrome device. So I know a lot of people, they've been working from home or just, conducting a lot of activities from home, and you're trying to do Google Meets or Google Hangouts and all that good stuff, and it's just crashing or it's just not working. So I'm going to kind of show you how to essentially be able to use your webcam and mic on Google Chrome. So what you're going to do is you're going to click into these three dots and you want to click into settings. In here, you're going to type something called site settings. And over here, you're going to see this thing pop up. You can either scroll for it and find it or just type it, which I technically usually find a lot easier. So in here, you're going to see like basically permissions. And this is basically where you are going to enable your camera and your microphone. I don't necessarily have a camera connected. I do have a mic, so we'll kind of go from there first. So in here, you can see I have the default headset microphone. You can change it. I'm using a Yeti right now to technically record, so you can change it to the mic you're technically using. And then over here you can see who you allowed to. So you see Google Meet, I've allowed it. Developer.amazon, I don't even remember what that was for, I allowed it. And boom, over here you can do ask before accessing. This is good to have. It's always better to like let them be like, oh, do you want to allow it, and you kind of press yes. So you want this enabled, or you can just add in you can see the sites over here that's there or not already. Same exact thing for the webcam or your camera, whatever. I don't actually have one right now, as you can see, but if you wanted to, you can just same thing here, add it, delete the sites that are already allowed. Maybe you allowed something by accident, or just like I said, keep it there. So yeah, that's basically it. It's a very simple and easy way to do this. You should be now easily able to connect your camera and microphone, easily change it from here to whatever you have. Like I said, I don't know whichever camera you're using, and then you should be good to go. So yeah, if you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps out. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out.